How to recover WhatsApp once view photo here after viewing it once, how you can view it again here on your WhatsApp web application or on your mobile WhatsApp. Now, I will let you know that how can you do it or is it even possible? The answer is no. Once you open a single photo view set photo on your account, you won't be able to see it again and again. How you can do it, alternative methods you can try. Ask the sender to resend the photo. Sometimes the most direct approach is to ask one and they will send you again in not in once mode. You can tell them to send the photo in normal mode. As you can see, this is my WhatsApp here, and there is no any option to check or view the photo that has been sent on the once view mode. So it is important to check, or you can take a screenshot of the photo if they send you in once mode. These only are the two alternative method. Ask the sender to send the photo again, and if they send you in once, you can take a screenshot to save it. Thank you so much for watching this video.